Let's get your Rogers Xfinity indoor-outdoor camera up and running. First, unbox your camera. For indoor models, you'll find a USB power adapter. Outdoor models may have a battery or a weatherproof wired connection. Next, download the Xfinity Home app on your iOS or Android device. Create an account, making sure it's linked to your existing Xfinity service. The app will guide you through the initial device pairing process, ensuring your camera is recognized on your network. This initial setup is crucial for seamless integration and future use. Remember to choose a strong, unique password for your account and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. During this process, the app may prompt you to update the camera's firmware. Allow this to complete to ensure you have the latest features and security patches, including improvements to night vision and motion detection accuracy added in 2024 to 2025. For outdoor cameras, choose a high vantage point, ideally 7 to 10 feet above the ground, to maximize the viewing area and minimize blind spots. Use the included screws or magnetic mounts to securely attach the camera. Indoor cameras can be placed on a shelf or mounted to a wall. Next, connect your camera to your home's Wi-Fi network through the Xfinity Home app. Ensure you're using a secure Wi-Fi password. Test the live feed, motion alerts, and two-way audio features to confirm everything is working correctly. Consider activating AI zones within the app to customize motion detection areas, reducing false alerts. Finally, explore cloud storage options for recorded footage, starting at around $10 a month. Remember, a stable Wi-Fi connection is key for reliable performance. If you experience connectivity issues, especially in rural areas, consider using a Wi-Fi booster or mesh network solution.